we are going to add positive and negative integers. Number 5, just evaluate. Evaluate determines a numerical value for a situation. For A, it is 6 plus 7 and negative 3. When we add positive and negative integers, we can just do that from left to right. Let's take a look at the first two terms here, which is 6 and 7. We add those together so you can count 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here you have the value of 13 that came from 6 plus 7. You can write that to indicate it becomes 13. Then nothing happens to that negative 3, so we can just write negative 3 down here. Now we can add these two integers, which is 13 and negative 3. That becomes a 10. That would be the final answer. So if you evaluate 6 plus 7, negative 3 together, they all make the value of 10. Let's look at B. We have to follow the order of PEMDAS, PEMDAS, when we simplify an expression. We're going to evaluate it here. Negative 10 plus 2. Together, this makes the value of negative 8. Nothing happens to this negative 4. And we can add these two together. We have a negative number, and we're going to add it to another negative number. So let me draw this in terms of tiles. Here's your negative 4 tiles. Then you have negative 8 tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you have your negative 4 here, and you have your negative 8 here. In total, you have negative 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Negative 12, because there is negative plus a negative becomes a larger negative. C, same thing here. Notice this is negative 10, negative 4, and negative 2. Together, they should make a larger negative. So let me draw out the numbers in a tile for you. Negative 4, negative 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is negative 10. Then you have negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These together make the value of negative 14. Nothing happens to this negative 2, so we write that down here. Negative 14 and negative 2, let's just have two negative tiles here. Together, they make negative 16. So let's make sure we just box our answers so our grader knows that these are our answers. And that's all you have to do when it comes to add positive and negative integers.